Thank you for joining me today on Krista So Crafty. My name is Krista. I am going to be unboxing this compact heat press, and I thought I'd bring you along and show you what all it has with it. So right off the bat, one of the things that I really like about it is that it has an auto off feature. Have you ever been in your craft room or in your sewing room and you've plugged in your iron and you've done your thing and then you walk away and you forget to unplug it? That's so dangerous, so dangerous. But I really appreciate that this has an auto off feature. It's got 3 easy heat settings. It has a dry even heat. There's a precision tip on it so you can get right into the corners of things, as well as it has a safety base, and of course it has a comfortable handle. So let's open this up and take a look at it. So, get this box out of the way. So first things first, it does have a little bag with it, so you can, I guess, bring it with you when you want to travel with it. It has a little bottle that you can use to put water in if you need to spritz something. Of course, it has the user manual with it. It's pretty small, but definitely doable, and it gives you the different power settings and what they are and how to tell if it's heated up or not, but we'll go through that. And oh my goodness, look it comes with some stickers. I guess they're not stickers, it's iron-on. Look at their lips, so cute. And Dumbo, Never Better, all those are cute. All right, very, very cute. So we'll set this stuff to the side for a second. And so this is the mini press. All right, so here is the mini heat press. Little mini heat press. It has a small, not a point or anything, but it's got a place where you can get into corners with the plate. It's got the on-off button here. So it has a low, a medium, and a high. They'll be red when you first set it. When you turn it on and start heating it up, it'll be red. And then as it reaches temperature, it will turn to green. It also has a nice base with it, which is very good because you definitely need something to set this in. So that's nice, I like that. So I think what we'll do is we are going to take the HTV, I think we're going to take these and we're going to apply them onto our bag, and we'll try out our new heat press. So some more information on it. It has 3 heat modes. They're in the package. Like I said, you get the heat press machine, you get an insulated base, you get a storage bag, a spray bottle, and the user manual. And then of course I got these stickers. I don't know if you would get these stickers in yours if you were to order it, but I'm kind of assuming you would. Maybe they wouldn't be the same ones as these, but anyway, so let's get this plugged in and see how it works. Okay, so I have this plugged in. So let's go ahead and press the button. So you press and hold for 3 seconds and so now it's on medium, high, low. So I'm going to leave it on low, I think. So I'll leave it there and it's flashing, and I'm assuming that once it's heated up that it will go to green. So let's just wait. Okay, so my little mini heat press is heated up. Once it reached temperature, it did let off like a beep. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give this bag a bit of a press. So it should be like any type of iron, right? It just move it around. Now with the heat presses, they aren't designed, the mini heat presses, they are not designed to be held in one spot. So if you hold it in one spot for too long, you could end up burning your material. So move it around just like this. Okay, so now I'm going to take and place my little designs here. Actually, I don't know. I'm just going to put them on here. So this one here is a little girl And I'm going to, because, okay, to start with, these came with a protective sheet on them, so we don't need to put any type of a barrier between this and our heat press. You can, so I have this, just this sheet here that I use, and I'm going to press this for about 25 seconds. And like I said, you want to just keep moving it around. Move that little bunny or I'll end up pressing them onto my heat mat. That's the other thing, is I do have a mat underneath the bag. You want to make sure that there's something there to protect your work surface. Sorry about that. So just keep moving that around. I don't know. I wasn't really counting. I guess I should have been. I don't know if that's 25 seconds or not. All right, let's have a look. So I'm going to remove this. It's quite warm. So what I like to do whenever I'm doing any type of, working with any type of heat and vinyl, is I take it and I put it onto a cool surface. This just helps to pull out the heat a little bit faster. So we'll just kind of move that around a bit. And I'm going to turn it over. Like I said, you can just feel the heat being pulled out of it. That's better. See, it's cool already. So now I'm going to pull this up. Oh, and look at that. Perfect. Look at. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the other 4. Might as well put them all on the same bag here. Once I get them all on, I will put this on and just kind of go over all of them. But yeah, I'm just going to put all of these on here right now. Just like that. All right, there we go. They're all on, and I think they applied great. I really liking the size of that mini press. It just allows you, when you're doing a little project, just to get in there and to get it done. All right, so to shut it off, I'm just going to press and hold the button, and it beeps and it shuts off. So I'm going to leave it in the tray, and then of course I'm going to unplug it, but I'm going to leave it in the tray to let it cool off. But I'm really happy with this little heat press. I will list it down below in case you're interested in it. Like I said, I did purchase it from Amazon. And thank you again for joining me today on Krista So Crafty. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel and clicking the little bell notification to let you know when I upload further videos. Thank you again for joining me, and happy crafting.